This is either the biggest coincidence in know-how TV history, or the universe has a really weird sense of humor. I met Josh when I was 14 years old, about 100. How old are we now? 100?
About that.
104? About that. He was the first person to teach me how to drive a stick shift car. Isn't that crazy? And we're just seeing each other for the first time in 104 years, for real, literally.
Mm-hmm.
How's that make you feel?
Like I'm old.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Hey, I'm older.
Well, by like 2 minutes. And now we're partners in crime again. He did his first tire today.
On my own.
And I got to watch the whole thing. He bumped his melon and everything.
I just want to do one by myself. I haven't done one by myself yet. No.
I bet you I could do it. Oh.
The most physical part of the job is changing tires.
Yeah?
They're heavy, they're dirty, and they don't like to play nice.
Yeah.
So.
Gotta make sure you got lots of lube on them.
Yep.
Okay, how much headway have you gotten? He had only 2 days on the job. This was his first solo tire change, and the dreaded tire machine had absolutely no mercy. Oh! Oh my God, that thing sucks. For real. Okay, everybody bumps their head here.
No, because everything's right in the firing zone.
You got it!
I did.
Woohoo! You got one more spot, that's it. Yeah, baby. How's it feel?
Feel great.
So, Josh, the guy who taught me how to drive a stick shift 30 years ago, changed his first tire today at the shop. Bumped his head on the machine on camera, kept going. Josh, 2 days. Paco, 30 years. What happens next should not be possible. So I was thinking, I would like to see you change a tire. I mean, change a tire.
I'd like to see that. You didn't have enough examples?
I heard you're a pro.
Is that what that's up the guy in the back said?
Yeah. All right, whenever you're ready, boss. Paco Taco. I'd help you carry those, but I gotta film. I don't have a cameraman yet. I can't afford one. Pretty soon, someday. 30 years experience, and the machine still didn't flinch.
Put a little lube on there.
Did you just say lube?
I did say lube. Put a little wiener sliding on there, she'll go in.
There you go.
But like I said, probably not right to the video.
Too late, but we still have yet to see Paco Taco the Pro put the next one on to see how fast he does it. This thing is stupid. We gotta get you a new tire changer.
I'm gonna have a popsicle. Go help that guy with his credit card.
He made that face and he just went straight back to work. No drama, no tantrum, no venting on social media. Meanwhile, I would have been on my phone for 45 minutes with my best friend bitching about it. How many times did it take you to do your first one? 4? So I got this as a contest.
Could be. You might win.
I think I'm gonna.
Okay, put the rest of it on.
No, I'm not ready.
It sounded like a challenge was thrown out.
That is a challenge, but all right. So, so this is the part where I remind you that I'm a self-taught mechanic from cars, not motorcycles. But apparently, according to Paco Taco, this is the most physical part of the job. At least I trimmed my nails. Won't be breaking a nail on those tires today.
Take it back off.
Okay, you can just get to work then. Oh, I don't know. I'm scared. All right, I'll do it. So Josh won. Paco walked away, and I had zero business even being near this thing. But somebody had to find out what happens when you have no idea what you're doing, and you try it anyway. And that somebody was me, unfortunately. All right, this is my very first time taking off a tire. Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
What happened last time you did it cockeyed?
Is it too cockeyed?
Does it look too cockeyed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has to be straight like that.
Needs to be straight.
Thank you, Paco Taco. Every single time. Can you hold those in with something or no?
No.
Oh my God, I'm scared. I did it! Oh, I almost did it! Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so close. I hate this tire changing machine.
So no more tire video?
No.
Okay, that sounds good.
You know, I'm not one to give up. I don't give up. I don't ever quit. But I quit. Well, on the next episode of... Well, look at all my grease on my face and now.
Looking like you're actually earning your keep.
So, on the next episode, Paco gets a new tire changer.
Cutting you a check. Maybe a sponsor would give us a tire changer.
We need us to... Who would sponsor the channel for a tire changer? Tire changing
Lots of
machine.
tire changers out there. Lots of machines. Any auto place has a tire.
Well, what are some big brands?
Derek Weaver.
Shout out to Derek Weaver. The hashtag list of tire changing, tire machine changer.
They're actually not that bad. I could buy a...
That.
For a car, I had a tire machine and a balancer for under $2,000. So, not too terrible.
$2,000? $2,000's a lot of money to me.
But I make that back with 20 tires.
Good point. I did so much today, you guys.
I expect the rough draft on my fucking desk at 9 o'clock in the morning.
You got it, boss.
One palm, just nice and sensibly tight is my term.
Did you just say sensibly tight?
Sensibly tight.
He said sensibly tight. Okay.